morning to all of you. Before starting or going ahead, I would like to give my sincere thanks to Principal Ma'am, Rani Ma'am, and the entire management who has given me opportunity to share my views. So, as you see, this is a चर्चा. So, my dear students, ये चर्चा हो रही है. So, मैं भी बोलूँगी और आप लोग भी बोलेंगे. तो रेडी है? आवाज नहीं आई मुझे. श्योर? चलिए ठीक है. So, as you can see, the topic is next. My focus is on, definitely the topic is the silicon classroom. Silicon is basically a chip which is we are using in a computer or in a machinery, right? But in context to human touch. So here we are going to discuss about a very special field, education, which is very close to our heart, right? Because हम education industry से ही हैं. So here we can learn how we can use this technology. Today's technology, generally we are using a term AI. AI और चैट जीपीटी. असाइनमेंट के लिए चैट जीपीटी और डेली वर्क के लिए AI. यही दो टर्म से हम इसको पहचानते हैं. तो इसी दो टर्म के हम क्लासरूम में बीइंग एन टीचर कैसे एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट. सो दिस इज द टुडेज content which I am going to share within a whole session, but don't worry, it will not be so boring. So first, when we heard about AI, definitely हर कोई हमें डरा रहा है कि very soon it is replace the human. जैसे सर ने भी कहा ये डर है, लेकिन किन के लिए है? Those who are not going to learn how to use this technology, right? So being a teacher, I'll give you few take away, कुछ ऐसे points जो आज आप यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे और future teacher, आप फ्यूचर में भावी टीचर होने वाले हैं, तो आप कैसे उनको क्लासरूम में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. इवन अभी भी ड्यूरिंग योर स्टडीज हाउ यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट इट, उसको आप यहाँ से आज लेने जाएंगे. मेरी पूरी कोशिश यही रहेगी. सो इफ आई आस्क रियली देयर इज अ पॉइंट टू अफ्रेड कि ह्यूमन वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी, टीचर रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, आंसर इज नो. द बोल्डली नो. यस. नेक्स्ट. सो there are few data. 1.5 billion users of this technology. Negative people said about, oh my god, so many people are using this, that means teacher to replace hone wala hai. But the positive thing, yes, everyone is aware about it. Day by day people are awareing, students are awareing, everyone is getting awareness to how to use such technology, right? And there is a 404 billion business, $104 billion business. The market is getting such a huge business from the education industry. आप ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है में पढ़ रहे हैं, this is a part of this technology. आप स्मार्ट क्लास में जो पढ़ रहे हैं, that is a business of for the businessman. So there is a huge scope for business also. Another factor is 87% that are the users of this. That means almost 9 out of 10 teachers now using AI, right? And lastly, the 65% students are using mobile phones, ChatGPT for assignment. करते हो ना? Yes. So this is all your data. Next. There is a small video. Sound. Nothing in sound, just an instrumental. Observe it carefully. So what you observed here? क्या देखा? Okay, no need to worry. Amazon पे shopping करते हो? Yes or no? There is an option where you can see that particular things before buying, how it looks in your home. कभी ये फीचर यूज किया है? नहीं किया तो आज जाके करना. सपोज यू वांट टू बाय दिस, कोई भी टेबल, कोई भी अलमीरा आप खरीदना चाह रहे हो, बट यू डोंट नो कि मेरे इस रूम में ये कैसा दिखेगा. जस्ट यू हैव टू रिप्लेस योर कैमरा. आप अपने कैमरे से उस पर्टिकुलर वार्डरोब को इमेजिन कर सकते हो इन योर लिविंग रूम, राइट? दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ AI. दैट इज augmented reality and virtual reality. This is the example of that. Earlier we discussed more. Yes, the beautiful topic, the irreplaceable human touch. If I'll ask, just tell me one name who changed your life, whether you were in school or in college, who changed you entirely. Just recall their name. Definitely, what is the answer? Answer of a name of a human, not the machinery. Right? किसी न किसी human being ने ही आपकी life change की है, not the machinery. So definitely, why human being is important? These are the reasons. Because of empathy and mentorship, a lot already Prabhakar sir has shared their views. So I am not going to in a detail of these four because I have further more content on this. Due to empathy, dayalu bhav hone ke karan, emotional connection, being a human being, why we are sitting here, why we are not going outside? Because we are emotionally connected. We are eager to listen, right? Critical and ethical thinking. मशीन आपको केवल डेटा देगा, बट बीइंग एन टीचर यू कैन थिंक critically, ethically, what is right or what is wrong. And then definitely community and collaboration. Through human being we are very comfortable to make relationship. आज मैं जो यहाँ आई हूँ, भिलाई से यहाँ आई हूँ, just because of relationship. आप लोगों के प्यार ने ही बुलाया है, ठीक है? So being a human being, these are the things, these are the characteristic which is irreplaceable. Next. Yes, there are few. My topic is I am going to discuss this today's technology, a new technology in with the relation of sustainability. And when I am talking about the sustainability, sustain करना, that means lifelong कोई चीज़ है जिसको हम टेक केयर कर रहे हैं. सो हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर मदर अर्थ एंड द एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन, नॉट ओनली एजुकेशन. सो हाउ वी कैन लर्न व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज environmental education in the digital age. So first, definitely nowadays students are totally focused on mobile phone, so they are not able to hear the birds singing. कितनी प्यारी आवाज़ होती है. अभी भी देखिए इतनी गर्मी में बर्ड्स यहाँ बोल रही हैं, बट वी आर नॉट रेडी टू हियर देम, राइट? दिस इज द मोस्ट चैलेंज. then definitely if every students are not ready to use लाइफ लर्निंग चैलेंजेस, क्यों आज आपको असाइनमेंट मिला, आप क्या कर रहे हैं, चैट जीपीटी कर रहे हैं, यू आर नॉट गोइंग इन द फील्ड, आर नॉट रेडी टू स्टार्ट व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग इन द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स, उसको नहीं देख रहे हैं. दीज आर द फ्यू चैलेंजेस एंड डेफिनेटली थ्रू अ मिनट वीडियो, थ्रू अ क्लिप, this is very difficult to understand the whole concept. These are the few challenges, but no need to worry, there are some opportunities on the other side, like you will get the real time data. What do you understand by the real time data? ये तीन वर्ड है, real time data. Actually ये होता क्या है? For example, we are here for this seminar and whatever the output we will getting, जो भी इसका निष्कर्ष निकले, definitely उसको हम कुछ numbers में, कुछ specific parameters में convert करेंगे. That is called real time data. Nowadays many websites are available, those provide real time data. जैसे आप लोग प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो, Kaggle is the website जहाँ पे आपको real time data available है. आप वहाँ से real time data लीजिए, प्रोजेक्ट बनाइए, right? So this is the opportunity. But the lacuna is, we know what is the technology, but we don't know how to use it. So being an educator, we have to learn about कि how we have to guide our students कि which kind of technology you have and how you can learn it. So आज हम वो वही सीखेंगे कि इस टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ कैसे करना है. नेक्स्ट, yes, Google Earth. There is an app, Google Earth. This is free of cost. You can easily download it in your through Play Store, right? Where you can easily learn about a particular geographical area, not about only the place you belong. केवल अंबिकापुर नहीं, आप न्यूयॉर्क की भी स्टडीज कर सकते हैं, right? For example, there is a study already done, one of the group of students जिन्होंने Amazon rain forest की स्टडी की around in 1980s में, कि 1980 to till now what are the changes in that forest and what was the reason. So without any visa, without any international trip, you can make your projects. Even being an educator, being a teacher, future teacher, you can give such assignment to your students through this app. Next. There is again a video.
This is the metaverse. So people don't learn about planets, they play with them.
If voice is not clear, there is a subtitle. Don't worry.
Stand for chambers and baths, which will walk through the heart. When even if it's time for teaching children.